In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Google Home to a smart TV. First, this will only work if your TV supports Google Home, Google TV, Chromecast built-in, or if you're using Chromecast or a Chromecast device. If your TV does not support any of these, you cannot connect it directly, even if it's smart TV. So in that case, the workaround is to use a Chromecast or Google TV stream device if you have one. So now as an example, make sure if you like TV supported or you do have the device, the streaming device, just make sure that your phone and your smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then you'll need to install and open the Google Home app on your phone if you don't have it yet. If you do, just go and sign in or open it and sign in with your Google account. And from the app or the Google Home app, you can click on the plus button at the top left. Once you click on that, you will find here nearby devices. So select your smart TV or Chromecast or whatever, click on next, and you will be able then to see a code on your TV. So just go and click on yes as an example. Just make sure the code on TV matches the code on your phone. If the code matches, tap on yes. And after that, you can choose the room where the TV is located, like the living room, bedroom. Then follow the rest as an example of the setup. And it should basically, or your TV should appear inside your Google Home app. If you choose like the living room, you'll find it at the living room TV. You can just go and click on it and access it from there. So you can test it, open a supported app like YouTube, then tap on cast button, choose your TV, and if the video appears on your TV, then it's connected correctly. So that's it, and that's how you connect Google Home to a smart TV.